Hey, so we just did a constant contact about the plank and got a lot of feedback. And so, what I kind of wanted to do was bring you guys a couple of variations. So, what some people were asking was we usually plank for about 45 seconds, and that's getting a little easy. So, they are modifying with push ups and other things. So, what I want to do is I want to take you through some variations that's going to make the plank actually harder and you're still planking. So take a look at these three variations and let me know what you think. So let's start in our plank position. We want to make sure that our hips are down, our elbows are underneath our shoulders, and our hands are straight out in front of us. For our first variation, we're going to pull our elbows back. We don't actually move them, but we do pull and engage the abs even more. For the second variation, we're actually going to push our arms away from us. Notice we don't move much, but that little engaging is going to make it even harder and more challenging. For the third, we are going to lift each leg. Make sure you've got to do both sides, keeping the hips down and engaging the glutes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me at rush@clubhousefitness.com.